Hi, I'm Thomas Mucciarone and I'm the owner and builder of Grand Living Homes. I'd like to introduce to you the Applecross design. At Grand Living Homes, we specialise in custom built homes, but we also have our own designs to help you get your creative ideas flowing. The Applecross is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-storey home, which includes a balcony, an open-plan kitchen, dining and living area. It positions the garage to the rear of the home, meaning it's best suited for inner city blocks. All designs can be modified to suit your land, and we enjoy working with each of our clients to deliver a truly unique building experience. Grand Living Homes covers the whole of the metropolitan area, so give me a call today to book your free design consultation. I personally deal with our clients from planning to handover and wouldn't have it any other way.